This is my GitHub. Now I'm going to show you how to configure GitHub for Databricks. Basically, you need to create a token. If you go to settings, this developer settings, here personal access token, here if you click the button, you can create one. So I already created one. So now I'm going to show you where to plug it in. So if you go to Databricks, user settings, developer linked service, I already linked this. So this personal access, and I added this token here. So that's why my GitHub is linked to Databricks workspace. Now I'm going to add a repo here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to load data from this repo. There is a notebook. I'm going to use this notebook. So first thing, I need to copy. I'm going to add a repo. GitHub. Already Git credentials I added. So I'm going to create a repo. Okay. Now I'm going to create a branch. Here you can create a branch. Dev file, create branch. Done. So now I'm checking what is available in bronze in this Unity catalog. Nothing is available. So now I'm going to create a workflow using this GitHub repo notebook. Workflow. From repo. This is the notebook I plugged in. I'm going to use this available cluster. I created one. Use the branch. Dev file. I'm going to run this notebook. Workflow. It's running. It won't take too long. It's completed. Now I'm going to verify Unity catalog. Yes, table got created and data got loaded. Git looks good. Thank you.